Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 3rd of June, 2024. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since May 29th, 2024, our system has ranked Apple as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.74. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock has seen a gain of 1.97%. This translates to an average return of 0.49% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock lies in the upper part of a wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader, as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $197.15 will firstly indicate a stronger rate of rising. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 12.59% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 1.84% and 14.40%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a negative 2.92% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between negative 17.80% and negative 2.24%. This translates to a price range of $159.50 to $189.68 after a year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Green Day on Monday for Apple. The Apple stock price gained 0.93% on the last trading day, Monday, 3rd of June, 2024. Rising from $192.25 to $194.03. It has now gained 6 days in a row. It is not often that stocks manage to gain so many days in a row, and falls for a day or two should be expected. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.28% from a day low at $192.53 to a day high of $194.99. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days, and it is up by 2.19% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by negative 25 million shares, and in total, 50 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $9.67 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of stock was $199.62, and the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the price is 2.8%, or $5.59, below the 52-week high, and 15%, or $34.23, below the all-time high on the 30th of August, 2018, when the price reached $228.26. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, May 29, 2024, it was reported that Tigris Financial gave AAPL a strong buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, May 28, 2024, it was reported that CFRA gave APL a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, May 24, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler gave AAPL a buy grade with an upgrade action. On Friday, May 24, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush gave AAPL a buy grade with an upgrade action. On Thursday, May 23, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush gave AAPL an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Apple stock a general strong buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and price to book as strong buy. For return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $190.67 and $180.55. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, April 19, 2024, and so far it has risen 17.59%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 31 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 17 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 23 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 22 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 24 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 22 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 10 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $183.38 and $172.62. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Apple finds support just below today's level at $183.38. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $172.62 and $171.37. This stock is usually traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the stock moved $2.46, 1.28%, between high and low. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 1.40%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for Q2 2024 is expected on August 1st, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.33. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $183.38. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is a strong buy. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On May 15, 2024, Condo Chris conducted an insider sell of 4,999 shares of common stock. On May 10, 2024, Adams Catherine L. conducted an insider sell of 1,850 shares of common stock. On April 15, 2024, Condo Chris conducted an insider buy of 8,119 shares of common stock. On April 15, 2024, Condo Chris conducted an insider sell of 3,120 shares of common stock. On April 15, 2024, Condo Chris conducted an insider sell of 1,899 shares of restricted stock unit. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 23.513. Overall, insiders purchased 1,927,641 shares and sold 3,034,076 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $188.05, negative 3.08%. This stock has low daily movements, resulting in lower risk. A buy signal is indicated from a pivot bottom identified 35 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Apple stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, June 4th, we expect Apple to open down negative $0.18 and start trading at $193.85. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at StockInvest.